Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to improve Snapchat camera quality in iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your iPhone's camera is better than your Snapchat camera, that your quality of Snapchat photos is very low. So let's see how can you increase or how can you improve your Snapchat camera quality. Now to do that, you have to very first open your Snapchat app, and here just tap on your profile option in the bottom and the top left. Then tap on settings with the gear icon in the top right. Just scroll down and look for the option of clear data, and here just select clear cache, and you just have to clear cache from your Snapchat app. Once you have clear cache, go back, open your app store or play store, go for search, and you have to simply search for Snapchat, and you have to make sure that you have an pending update for your Snapchat app. If you find a pending update, just try to update your software. So after updating your Snapchat app, you just have to simply go back from here, and you have to retry or recheck if your Snapchat quality has been improved or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, open your settings app here, go for general, go for iPhone storage here, look for your Snapchat app, and you just have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete the app. So if there will be any bug or any malware into your Snapchat app causing the issue, so you can easily fix that by using this step and just offload your app, or you can also try to delete the app. After offloading or deleting, you have to try to reinstall the app, and after reinstallation your issue must be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.